Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to show that you're open to jobs on LinkedIn. And for this we click left in the top on our profile picture and then on it again. And then from here you have your profile just right here. Now I don't have the open to work icon in my profile picture, and we want it so people can see that I'm open for jobs. So let's click on open to, then click here on finding a new job. And then you can select all the details that you want. Now you can give the title, location type, you can select the starting date, your location, if you want it full-time, part-time, whatever you want. So do that please with your intention. And then after that you can select recruiters only or all LinkedIn members. And for recruiters only, recruiters can send you a message. But if you click on all LinkedIn members, you will get that open to work icon in your profile picture. So right now, if I do save, and we give this a title. Now let's say I want to test this, test engineer. Now, and I do now save. Not now. You can see that I'm open to work, and everyone on LinkedIn can see that I'm searching for a job. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.